Hello everyone. Today we are going to know how using Arduino Uno and sound sensor we can make a automatic clap system switching LED. So in this project we require Arduino Uno, a simple sound sensor, some LEDs, a 220 ohm resistor, a breadboard and some jumper wires. So let's make the connection first. So simply connect the I sound sensor to the breadboard like this. Connect the LEDs. Remember, you should connect the positive and negative terminal separately. Do not forget this because यहाँ पे मिस्टेक्स भी हो जाती हैं, तो इसका आप ध्यान रखें. Now connect the resistor to the positive leg of LED. One terminal of resistor is connected to the positive terminal of the LED and another terminal of LED is directly connected to the ground of Arduino. Means the negative terminal of an LED is connected to the ground of Arduino. Now let's also do this. Here I write the positive terminal of resistor is connected to D13 digital pin 13. So here is D13. Let's perfect. Let's make the sensor connection. So first connect some jumper wires. Yes. Next one. Yes. सॉरी, यहाँ पे मैंने सेंसर को उल्टा लगा दिया है क्योंकि यहाँ से हम इसको सेंसर को इस तरह से लगाएंगे जिससे हम इसकी रेंज को भी कंट्रोल कर सकें. One more wire. Now let's connect the sound sensor to the Arduino. So basically the VCC pin means red wire is goes to 5-volt supply of Arduino. Here is 5-volt supply. No, it is 3.3 5-volt. Yes. The white jumper wire goes to the ground of Arduino, another ground. And the blue wire means digital 0 of sound sensor goes to D2 of Arduino. So here is D2 pin. Now let's connect Arduino to the laptop for coding. So the code is uploaded. Now let's see the working. As clap on, LED on, Another clap, LED off. This is how it works. By using this prototype, we can make our home automated. This is the code which I use. If you want, I can provide this in description. And this is the result. Once again,